Hello, YouTube. Welcome in, welcome in. We're going to be checking out some avocado animations here. While I was working on another React, Star came over and said, "Yes, Free, you need to watch this video right now." I have no idea what to expect. All I can see is birds for some reason. The first thing that I had thought of was the the bird saying like "won't smash." So we might watch that one as well, depending on how long this goes. Yeah, it's only a minute and a half, so I can't see it taking us too terribly long. I might even go through and talk about the animation. I don't know. Let's just watch and see what happens.
Met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all alone. And so as I saw her ask her for her name.
Yeah, birds. Yeah.
She smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see that a woman like that was really in.
Birds make no sense with their mating rituals and all that. They're just like flailing themselves around, making poof them up and wings out and just going. Ah. And apparently it works.
To me, she said she didn't have no man.
He got the moves. He got the moves. There.
I never would have thought she was living like that. Her words seem so.
Okay. Oh, this is fantastic.
Sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me how.
Now, are you just going to cry about it? Or are you going to up your game, brother? You going to up your game? You might want to up your game.
She feels. It felt so real to me. This girl, she had to be.
Wait, what?
Angel sent from heaven just for me. She said she didn't have no man.
He was dancing for you, brother. This is for you. I was not expecting anything that's happening. This is fantastic. The dang birds. This was amazing. Bro comes down, starts dancing for the girl, trying to get her attention. Another bro comes down, starts dancing, completely one-ups him. The girl he was going for drops him like a rock. Is like, yeah, I'm gonna fawn over this new one. He's got so many better moves and all that. And it turns out, no. He was dancing for you, brother. He was there for you the entire time. Okay. We are going to watch the other video I was thinking that this was going to be about. Let me smash. I don't know if this is the original one. This one was uploaded by Incept. If you know the actual like original uploader for this, it might actually be this fellow. Wait. Yeah, hard to say. But if you know who the original uploader was for this, let me know. I'm pretty sure it's Incept though. So let's just get to watching.
This is a nice stick.
Yay.
I like sticks.
Sticks is nice.
Pick.
Pick.
Let me smash.
When I originally watched this, I thought it was like the dumbest thing when I was a kid. I was like, what am I even watching? This is the stupidest thing. But I think now that I'm older and I have a better idea of what the hell's going on, it makes a lot more sense to me, and I'm hoping I'll be able to enjoy it a lot more. And already, I'm already starting to feel the giggles.
Please.
No, Ron.
No, Ron.
Go find Becky.
You want some fuck?
No, Ron. I don't want some
I
fuck.
got your blue. Hey girl. You want some tail? Flint.
Ron. Your
Wrong.
tail is small.
What?
What?
Swiggity sweetie. You want yellow. She doesn't want yellow. Blue and yellow. No.
Ron, I'm leaving.
No.
What? No. Come back. I got you blue.
Wait, let me smash. What's my life
Let
come
me
to?
smash.
Becky thought my tail was big. Becky used a let me smash, but Becky is smashing Ben. Ben is a hoe. Heck.
There's a hoe.
Fuck this next. Fuck that. I
Aw.
need you, Becky. Becky, let me smash. I'ma get that bitch a stick. Bitches love sticks. Wrong stick.
Okay, I get the joke now.
Stick.
I get the joke. I get the
Stick,
funny.
got stick, Becky. I got stick. Let me smash.
He's trying so
A
hard.
nice stick.
Okay, I get it. I think this one was so much funnier though. Fuck, we watching it again. We're watching this shit
Met her
again.
on the way to Chicago, where she
Yeah.
was all alone.
Now do it.
So as I saw her ask her for her name, she smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see
This is how I got married, by the way.
that a woman like that was real into me. She said she didn't have no man, baby, get the very best. She told me she was
Like, the animation is actually really good. I'm pretty sure this is a form of like rotoscoping that they're trying to do, or probably had somebody had like a video of somebody actually doing these motions, and you're just kind of like sketching over top of the motion itself in order to get what you need. Well, hey, if it works, it fucking works. It's great. Plus, he changed up the actual like anatomy for it to work with the birds and all that, and it's really neat. I like this kind of animation. It's so smooth and it's so like fluid without needing to rely on like trying to do it naturally by hand. Granted, very impressive if you can do that, and there are some really fantastic animators out there who can do it like that. But this is, I'm pretty sure, a form of rotoscope. As you can see that there's like a little bit of a snappy difference between like the normal animation of the two regular birds and then a very like fluid alternate animation style just for the actual bird up here. Or not the actual bird, the Dancy bird.
I never would have thought she was living like that. Her words seemed so sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me how she feels. It felt so real to me. This girl, she had to
Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? What's going on?
sent from heaven just for me. She said she didn't have no man. Afraid to get the very best. She loved me. She told me she was all alone. Said no, she didn't have no love for me. She said just give her up. 59, I was the goal she kept. She lied to you.
Oh my god.
We got a family, yeah.
Fantastic. Avocado animations. I have seen some of Avocado's animation stuff in the past, and they're all absolutely fantastic. But this was a cut above the rest. I was not expecting this when I was going into this. I'm so glad Star told me to watch this and give it a try. But yes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This was extremely fun. Go check out Avocado. Go check out the original animation. Links for both will be in the description. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good one and bye-bye. Whack! Hey, did you enjoy that? Was it funny? Well, come and check it out live over at twitch.tv/freeform_art. Make sure you put the _art. We have lots of fun there. We enjoy ourselves, and we want to see you over there. So come on and hang out. See you in a bit.